Hi guys, this is Thomas Innovative Mind, and today we're doing another fire alarm system test. With system test 7, the system had a long journey being stored in a storage container for about 2 months and luckily did not pull any trouble lights right here. And what I meant to say, by the way, was being stored in a cottage. I apologize about that. But we're going to take our key here and go into Pole Station just to see what we're running here. Just to refresh my memory a bit. We are running the model BG12L. And with the get the model right here, with the DSC PK5501 keypad. So let's go ahead and pull this fire alarm Pole Station in 3, 2, 1. And shut that down before I upset the neighbors. Now let's go ahead and reset the Pole Station. There we go. And reset the keypad once again by entering the code twice. And there we go. That's the end of our system test. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, my link to my social medias will be in the description below. Thank you.